Hi everyone, and welcome to another Bracebridge Engineering video. It's been a while since we've last put a video up, but I thought I'd just share with you another post, just obviously with the current climate. Just to say Bracebridge is still open. We are suppliers to a number of key life sciences and filtration companies. So we are still open and we're keeping the presses running for now. Obviously as updates and things come out with the government, we'll keep those in mind. The safety and health of our staff is paramount, so we are doing our best to minimise risk, keeping a few people working at home, etc. But we are still operational. I think it's important for businesses, especially manufacturing businesses at the moment who are still open, to basically keep the country rolling. We can't just stop because of it. We need production, we need supply of goods. It's what keeps the country going, and obviously it's great for morale as well to keep things rolling. So yes, we are still open. We're still taking inquiries, we're still working on inquiries, and we're looking at obviously new business ventures as we go on. What I'm trying to do now for these next few videos is just to keep some short, maybe 3 to 5 minute videos. In future, obviously longer videos are a little difficult to watch and keep going with, obviously, so it's easier for me and easier for you guys to watch a shorter video. So over the next few weeks I'll be releasing a few more videos, popular topics to do with press work, engineering and manufacturing in general, and also I'll try and keep the political videos to a minimum and other things like that, but anything that you might find helpful and helpful especially if you're looking to produce a product or you want help with the product. I think obviously that's what we're here to do. So I'll wrap this up for now, but yeah, I'll update you with the next video soon. Thanks a lot everyone.